Shin beef. Not had this for absolute ages. It's quite a cheap cut actually. So we're going to cook this for a couple of hours, and I'm bringing you with me. I hope you enjoy. Okay, we're going to go through all this rigmarole. I'm just going to show you what we got. So there's our beautiful, beautiful shin beef. Okay, so we're going to have beef of shin of beef, cooked in a Dutch oven by Petromax. These are brilliant, and they got legs on them, so the lid actually acts as a frying pan as well as everything else. So I'm going to put some bacon in here. I'm going to transfer this meat, and then we're going to brown it all off in the pot to start with. Okay, so put the bacon in, that'll give it a bit of flavour. Stir that around a bit, just get that rendered down slightly. Get the nice beautiful juices of fat out of it, and then we'll add the shin and brown that off. Whoa. One tin of plum tomatoes, it doesn't matter, chopped. I was going to go for chopped, but I couldn't find any in my little supply, so I'll batter them now. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's yummy as it is. So the idea now is to let that fire die down a little bit so it just simmers. So I'm going to put this veg in if it fits and I don't burn myself. That's alright, it's not too hot. Without spilling any. Woohoo, look at that. Alright. I'll give that a stir in a second. I think we're pretty full. Yeah, a little bit of salt granules. I know it's a little bit much, but it's not. And we've got some pepper. There we go. Too much. I've done that before now, and it just the whole lot came in. That'll do. Okay, followed by a water. And then we've got to add some pill barley and herbs of Provence. Oh, look at all that, that's too much. Or is it? Look at the colour. I'm going to mix the herbs in because the herbs of Provence are absolutely amazing. There we go. Put that lid on in that in a minute. Okay, so here we are in the woods. I've got some little baby potatoes to go into that, and I've got some mushrooms, but not just yet. Just going to show you. I've got that. Is that mouth watering or what? Right, so yeah, baby spuds and some mushrooms to go in, and then that's it. We're leaving it for 2 hours, and I've just turned the pot around so it'll come out again. So I've just done like a 180, so I've turned the pot, so now everything's going to be cooked hopefully evenly, and then I'll put it more as it dies down. I'll put it more in the middle, so it should just simmer then, and that's going to be for 2 hours. All right, so we'll catch you back here in probably an hour and 3/4. We'll put the mushrooms in and the baby spuds, and then be ready to serve. Well, I've just tasted that, and it is absolutely amazing, even though I say so myself. That is beautiful. Spuds and mushrooms, I think, now, and that shouldn't be far off. Look at the pill barley. Look at that. Look how big they are. Sink them in. Look at those juices. Oh, I'm starving. They will cook and get them down. lid on, and we should be fine. Get some juices on those mushrooms. Look at that. Lid on just goes on. Quite hot still. Right, let's have a look. The reveal. Oh, yep, spuds are done. We're ready to serve up. Look at all that beef. Ooh, I hope she's hungry, because I know I am. Spuds, mushrooms, more mushrooms, more beef for Jane. Look at all that pearl barley. Oh, I love pearl barley. Ooh, look at all that. Look at all that there. Look, I could have that. Pearl barley. Okay, I think we're done. Let's give Janie a shout and see what she thinks of it. I did. By the way, I'll let you know, I have not put anything in like beef casserole or anything like that. All I've done is herbs Provence, which you saw, a little bit of lard and the bacon. That should give it a bit of a flavour. A tin of tomatoes, pretty well basic, and then your vegetables, which is I put swede in, carrots, parsnips, potatoes, and then we got your mushrooms on top, an onion, and that's it, and nothing else. So let's see what it turns out like. All right, catch you in a sec. All right, try it.
Looks nice.
No, nothing artificial. Ooh. I got a bit too much salt on that bit, but look at that. Is that all pearl barley? Yeah.
It's nice.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, lovely. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Bye.